Okay, here are two brand new Daikins central air conditioning units. Currently not running. And these units both replaced 1999 Ruud Achiever units not too long ago. They got the top logos on them. Yeah, these both replaced 1999 Ruud Achiever units that I've known about for a long time. Nice. Is from 2025, and it's a 5-ton, I think. And I think it might be a 3-phase unit. Nice. And then this one, I think, is probably the same thing. Let's see for that. Yeah, I think this one's probably the same thing as this one. But yeah, these two units are located at the hair salon complex that I filmed at lots of times before here in my town. Nice brand new units. Yeah, these have the top logos on them. Pretty interesting. But yeah, these both replaced two 1999 Ruud Achievers. And I actually saw the Ruud Achiever that used to be here. I think it was leaking because it was really oily on its condenser side. On one of its condenser sides. And the disconnect for it was shut off all summer, so I think that unit likely had a leak of some kind. And I believe these units probably use the new refrigerant. Yeah, it's got the refrigerant tag on it, so it probably has a new refrigerant. Probably assume it uses R32. And then here's a thermal zone. Ooh, and its capacitor box is removed. Oh, and it's disconnected. It's disconnected. That's weird. Oh, and its disconnect is shut off too. And it says dead on disconnect box. So yeah, it can't be dead. It's only from 2014. Pretty sure that's when this is from. Yeah, it's disconnected. Wow. So this unit might be getting replaced too, unfortunately. And here's this mirror star, which still remains, and then there's all those units. But yeah, just like a quick video of these brand new units. Anyways, thanks for watching.